I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video I will show you how to make cream to write on cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. Also, have your mixing bowl, electric mixer, and a piping bag with a small round tip ready to go. Now let's start mixing. In your bowl, cream the softened butter with an electric mixer until it's light and fluffy, about 2 minutes. Next, slowly add the powdered sugar, about 1/2 cup at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Finally, beat in the 2 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until your cream is perfectly smooth and well combined. Achieving the right consistency is key for beautiful writing. If your cream seems too thin, add a tablespoon of powdered sugar at a time until it thickens. Conversely, if it's too stiff, add milk, just a few drops at a time until it reaches a smooth, pipable texture. Always test a small amount on parchment paper to ensure it holds its shape and flows easily. Now for the fun part, coloring and decorating. If you want different colors, divide your cream into separate bowls. Add gel food coloring, a tiny drop at a time, mixing until you achieve your desired shade. Gel colors are best as they won't thin your cream. Fill your piping bag, twist the top, and practice writing on parchment paper before decorating your cake. Happy decorating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.